Shopping is stressful enough. You definitely don't want to get caught in the rain in the process. Sean is back looking at our forecast.
Yeah, today is better than tomorrow. All the procrastinators have a big get-together at the malls and on the highways tomorrow. We've got a lot to show you. We've got a lot of things happening in El Paso right now. Let me take you through several things. First of all, I've got some cool video sent to us. Take a look at this right now. This is some of the snow drifts that are in El Paso right now. You look up, and the person here is showing you the car in the background there, and you see the snow drift there. And then there's a little surprise on the other side of this yard as everybody is out dealing with the snow out there. Okay, the video's not going fast enough because it's really there. It's worth the wait, though. But we had a big snowstorm out in El Paso, and this system is coming our way. There we go. Some puppies playing in the snow, kind of a rare event for little ones. If you're going to be heading out of town, of course, want to make sure that you've got a means to take care of animals and plants and everything else. We've got a possibility for freezing temps. Some pictures that have been sent in. Javier Bustillos sent this in. Some of the snow in El Paso. You can see also some snow there on the roofs collecting. And then also another picture here from Jennifer Ruiz and how dark it was looking with some of that snow coming through the area earlier. All right, I've got that. I'm going to switch over to a live feed coming in from TxDOT in El Paso of the travel there. You can see the roads wet, wet in some areas. Some of these pictures will show driving snow, just blowing from almost right to left. You can see that traffic in some cases is great. You can see the highways and the roads there, and it looks like some places the snow is sticking and some places it's not. Obviously, sticking to this camera here. We'll sit on this for just a few more seconds, and I've got some. There you go. Look at this snow. I know it's a little hard to see. It's a live streaming feed, so it's very difficult to see, but that snow is really blowing around. There's some icing on that camera as well. Hopefully one more. There you go. Snow blowing across there. You can see it from right to left, just pouring in. All right. What are our chances for snow? Well, slim and none, but I'm going to explain to you why I am concerned about Sunday morning, which is Christmas morning. A lot of folks are going to be not worried about weather. I'll tell you why you want to just think about it just for once in the early mornings then. 43 right now, winds out of the north at 8 miles per hour. Temperatures in the upper 30s in the hill country and then low 40s here. And you can see the temperatures out in El Paso right now, 28 degrees. So even though it takes a little while for the ground to get to a point where it can stick, elevated walkways, roadways, overpasses, things like that, it more easily cools off, so it can stick to that. So they've got some closures already here. It's 29 in Amarillo, 30 in Lubbock and Midland, 35 in Abilene, 43 in Austin, all the way to the 50s, and nobody above that 58 in Brownsville. Cloud cover moving in for us. You can see the clouds stretching across the area, cold air in place. Another storm system out there. That storm system is going to be something that we see rain from tomorrow. So we go with overcast skies today. Rain returns overnight, and then a cold, wet day tomorrow. Here's what I'm concerned about. Not a guarantee for anything, not trying to alert you to anything more than just a big, fat if. But take a look at this. Future clouds and radar. Cloud cover, okay, we get the cloud cover in here, thickens up by tonight and tomorrow morning. Rain moves in and gets a little heavier during the day tomorrow, and then that's Saturday evening, not moving out yet. Now, we have rain still on our forecast model early Sunday morning. Granted, that's 5 a.m., but still some showers out there. Our temperatures are expected to be in the mid-30s. So if we get a light freeze in some areas, if you have a walkway or a back porch, or if you're driving, you might want to make sure that we don't have any icing problems, even if it's just a sidewalk and you walk into the grass and there's a little bit of the frozen stuff on the grass, and then you walk back on the sidewalk. That's how people break hips and end up spending Christmas Day in the hospital. Please be careful for that. 50 for the high today. Cloud cover continues. Tonight, we'll throw a few sprinkles in there. 39, the overnight low. Not looking at anything out there. Out in the hill country, there's a possibility for a few flakes of snow. Go to our web blog at KXAN.com. Click on the weather tab, weather blog. The latest is in there. 7-day forecasts. All right, with all of that said, rain today, tonight into tomorrow, and then coming to an end on Sunday. A slight chance for showers on Monday. Don't think it's going to be around with these. I think it's going to be a little later, and then some cooler weather ahead. We've got a lot to watch. Keep an eye on things. If you got an iPad or if you get one, make sure you get our new iPad app. That'll keep you up to date as well. You're watching KXAN News at Noon. We're back with some great music right after this.